Dear listeners, welcome to History with Herodotus, where the tapestry of time unfolds before our very ears. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore the enigmatic Denisovans, a mysterious chapter in the grand narrative of human history. As we delve into the realm of these ancient beings, let us first set the stage for their emergence and unravel the threads that weave their origins. In the distant expanse of Siberia, where the Altai Mountains stretch towards the heavens like colossal pillars, lies the Denisova Cave, a site of unparalleled significance in the annals of human evolution. It was here, in 2008, that a team of intrepid archaeologists, led by Anatoly Derivienko and Mikhail Shumkov, stumbled upon a fragment of bone, later dubbed the Denisovan finger, which would go on to rewrite the story of our species' past. The cave, nestled in the picturesque valley of the Anui River, has yielded a treasure trove of archaeological artifacts, including stone tools and fossilized remains, that have helped scientists reconstruct the lives of these enigmatic beings. As we venture into the earliest history of the Denisovans, we find ourselves in the midst of the Pleistocene epoch, a period marked by dramatic climatic fluctuations and the emergence of diverse human populations. It is believed that the Denisovans branched off from the common ancestor shared with modern humans and Neanderthals around 400,000 to 800,000 years ago, although the exact timing and nature of this divergence remains a topic of debate among scholars. The discovery of the Denisovan genome in 2010, led by Johannes Krause and Svante Pääbo, has provided invaluable insights into the genetic makeup of these ancient humans, revealing a complex pattern of interbreeding with other human groups. As we wander through the misty valleys and snow-capped peaks of the Altai Mountains, we are accompanied by the likes of paleoanthropologist Chris Strinner, who has dedicated his career to unraveling the secrets of human evolution. The presence of Denisovan DNA in modern human populations, particularly in Australia, Papua New Guinea, and parts of Asia, suggests that there was a complex network of interactions and exchanges between different human groups, which has left an indelible mark on the human genome. The earliest history of the Denisovans is also marked by their migration out of Africa, alongside other human groups, and their eventual settlement in Asia. This migration, which likely occurred around 60,000 to 80,000 years ago, would have exposed the Denisovans to a range of new environments and challenges, from the scorching deserts of Central Asia to the lush forests of Southeast Asia. As we stand at the threshold of this ancient world, we are reminded of the profound significance of the Denisovans in the grand narrative of human history. Their story is one of resilience, adaptation, and survival, set against the backdrop of a rapidly changing climate and environment. Join me next, dear listeners, as we enter a pivotal period in the history of the Denisovans, when their culture, technology, and interactions with other human groups began to take shape, revealing a tale of human ingenuity, cooperation, and the unyielding pursuit of survival in a world fraught with challenges and uncertainty. Dear listeners, welcome back to History with Herodotus, as we continue our fascinating journey through the realm of the enigmatic Denisovans. In this era, which spanned from approximately 50,000 to 30,000 years ago, the Denisovans found themselves at the height of their influence and power. It was during this time that they developed sophisticated tools, harnessed the power of fire, and formed complex social structures. The Altai Mountains, with their rugged terrain and harsh climate, became a crucible for human ingenuity, as the Denisovans adapted to their environment in ways both remarkable and unexpected. One of the most significant discoveries from this period is the presence of personal ornamentation, such as beads and pendants, which suggests a level of cognitive and cultural sophistication previously unknown among early human populations. The Denisovans' ability to create and wear such adornments not only demonstrates their technical prowess, but also hints at a deeper understanding of symbolism and self-expression. As paleoanthropologist Chris Stringer so eloquently puts it, the Denisovans were not just passive recipients of their environment. They were active participants, shaping their world through technology, social organization, and cultural innovation. This is evident in the discovery of intricate stone tools, such as blades and scrapers, which showcase the Denisovans' mastery of lithic technology. Furthermore, the analysis of ancient DNA has revealed a complex pattern of interbreeding between the Denisovans and other human groups, including modern humans and Neanderthals. This genetic legacy can still be seen in present-day populations, with many individuals retaining a small but significant amount of Denisovan DNA in their genomes. As we explore the vast expanse of the Altai Mountains, we find ourselves in the midst of a vibrant cultural landscape where the Denisovans interacted with other human groups, shared knowledge and ideas, and left an indelible mark on the human genome. The Cave of Denisova, with its treasure trove of archaeological artifacts, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of these ancient humans. In this pivotal period of their history, the Denisovans reached the pinnacle of their achievements, demonstrating a level of cultural, technological, and social sophistication that would have far-reaching consequences for the course of human evolution. As we stand at the threshold of this ancient world, we are reminded of the profound significance of the Denisovans in the grand narrative of human history. Join me next, dear listeners, as we embark on the final chapter of our journey, exploring the decline and aftermath of the Denisovans and the lasting legacy they left behind. Dear listeners, welcome back to History with Herodotus, as we conclude our fascinating journey through the realm of the enigmatic Denisovans. The decline of the Denisovans is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon, likely resulting from a combination of factors. One major contributor was climate change, as the warming of the Earth's climate at the end of the last ice age led to changes in vegetation patterns, animal migrations, and access to resources. The Altai Mountains, once a hospitable environment for the Denisovans, became increasingly inhospitable, with rising temperatures and changing precipitation patterns disrupting their traditional ways of life. Another factor was the arrival of modern humans, who brought with them new technologies, social structures, and cultural practices that may have competed with or replaced those of the Denisovans. The genetic legacy of interbreeding between Denisovans and modern humans is a testament to the complex interactions between these groups, but it also suggests that the Denisovans may have been gradually absorbed into the expanding populations of modern humans. As the Denisovans disappeared from the archaeological record, their cultural and genetic heritage lived on in the populations that succeeded them. The presence of Denisovan DNA in present-day populations, particularly in Australia, Papua New Guinea, and parts of Asia, is a reminder of the significant contribution these ancient humans made to the modern human gene pool. The legacy of the Denisovans can also be seen in the cultural and symbolic practices of contemporary societies. For example, the use of personal ornamentation, such as beads and pendants, which was first observed among the Denisovans, continues to play a significant role in many cultures around the world. Similarly, the sophisticated stone tools developed by the Denisovans laid the foundation for later technological innovations, such as the development of metalworking and other craft traditions. In conclusion, dear listeners, the story of the Denisovans is one of resilience, adaptation, and survival, set against the backdrop of a rapidly changing climate and environment. Their legacy continues to captivate and inspire us today, reminding us of the complex and interconnected history of our species. As we reflect on the journey we have taken through the realm of the Denisovans, we are reminded of the profound significance of these ancient humans in the grand narrative of human history. And so, dear listeners, our journey comes to an end, but the story of the Denisovans will live on, a testament to the power of human ingenuity, cooperation, and the unyielding pursuit of survival in a world fraught with challenges and uncertainties. Thank you for joining me on this fascinating adventure through the realm of the enigmatic Denisovans. That's all for today's History with Herodotus. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember that to understand the present, we must first understand the past.